Hello everyone. In this video I am going to show how to run Python script in different ways. There are various ways to run Python script. There are some of them are interactive mode, command line and through IDE. So now we will see how to run this Python script. So to run Python in command line, we have to open command prompt. So we can type cmd in search, or we can press Windows plus R to open run, and here we can type cmd and then press enter. So now the command line has opened. So here we can type Python and then press enter. So now it has opened Python interpreter in command line. So to do this, the Python interpreter path must be set in the environment variables properly. Then only it will be working in command line. So now we can test the sample program by typing print hello world. So it has printed hello world in the command line. So this is one method of running Python script in command line. The second method is like using the Notepad. So we can write the code in Notepad. We can take a Notepad like this, new text document. We can name it as Python demo. We have to open this and we can type sample code like a equal to 10, b equal to 20, c equal to a plus b, and we can print the value of c using print statement. So the output should be 30. When we execute this file, the output should be 30. So we will click on file, save as. We have to change the format .py. Py is the extension of Python files. So now I am again saving it over here. So it is saved. So we have to rename the extension .py. Now we have to navigate to D drive. So we can directly open the command line over here by typing cmd in the address. We can open command line here. Now we can type Python space pyht underscore demo.py. So here the value has printed as 30. So this is how we can run the Python script which is typed in the notepad. So this is the second method, and the third method is using IDE, integrated development environment. So in my system I have installed Eclipse IDE. So I will be showing you how we can use Eclipse IDE to run the Python script. So this is the widely used method in real time in industries. So the third method is using Eclipse IDE. In my case, I am using Eclipse IDE. We have many IDEs like IntelliJ, NetBeans. We can use a Jupyter Notebook as well. So there are many IDEs. We can use any of them. So this is my Eclipse IDE. So now I will run a Python module over here. First we have to create a Python IDE project. We can name it as py demo, and we have to click on finish. So the project is created. In this project we have to add packages new. IDE package. So demo pack 1. So the package is created. So inside package we have to create module, 5-day module. We can type it as hello world. So we have to take an empty template. So these are the command lines added by default. We can remove those and type our code. So print hello world. We can save it, file, save. It is already saved. I have done by using Ctrl plus S. It is a shortcut key for saving. Run as Python. So the output is printed. So this is how we can use IDE to run the Python script. So we have seen totally three ways to run Python script. The first method was using command line. So we have to open CMD. We have to open CMD and then type Python. And then we have to press enter to open Python interpreter. The second method is using Notepad. We can type the code in Notepad and then use the command like python space file path then followed by file name dot py. So this will run the code which is stored in the document, which is Notepad in our case. So the third method is using IDE. So in my case I had used Eclipse IDE. So here we have to create packages, package, then module. Basically a package comes under a project. So this is the hierarchy in a IDE: project, package and module. So that's all for this video. Thank you. Please do subscribe and like, share the video.